How to create a sales funnel in Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be bringing you with a very good topic. And in this topic we're going to be discussing on how you can create very own sales page or sales funnel on Wix. So it's going to be extremely simple and it's going to be extremely fun to make. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly and if you follow me till the end, then I guarantee you that by the end you're going to fully know how you're going to create a sales page or a sales funnel on Wix. So basically, to get started, obviously what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to Wix. And how are you going to come to Wix? Obviously, you're going to go in the URL tab and you're going to write www.websiteworldmedia.com/Wix, okay, and enter it. And once you do that, obviously it's going to bring you to the whole sign up page for Wix, okay. And let's say you don't want to do the whole writing the whole URL and stuff, like you don't want to do that. Perfectly understandable. Just go to the description, and at the top of the description you're going to see a link, okay, and it's going to be the same link, so just click on it and be redirected to this page. And once you're over here, obviously it's going to ask you to enter your email to start signing up, and that's what we're going to do. But before that, let's go ahead and discuss the Wix pricings, okay. So we're going to come here, we're going to discuss the pricings real quick, and obviously we're going to go with the free plan, of course, but there are also other plans that you can go with. Right now I'm going to go with a free trial. Like there is no proper free plan, but we're going to go with the trial. So as you can see, these are the plans. You can check them out for yourselves, but yeah, let's go straight in. Now I'm going to basically use a temp mail for this video for my own reasons, but I don't recommend that you do this. You can use like a proper Gmail. I would recommend that you use a proper email, like Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. And once you enter your email, go ahead with the password and everything. So I'm just going to add that as so. And once you add that, you're going to type your password in again, real quick. And once we do that, from there on out, what's going to happen is we're going to start to the editorial bit. Now, obviously, we're going to, head straight into it, and we're going to come here. So let's see and set you up with the right tools. First, who are you creating your actual website for? Obviously, it's for yourself. So we're going to do that. Click on continue. And what kind of websites are you creating? Obviously, it's a sales page. So you could write, a sales. Let's just go with sales and click on next. Now, once you go with that, what's the name of your store? You can change it anytime, enter your store name. Let's say I'm going to call it sales funnels. I'm just going to call it that. Click on next. And once you go there, what do you want to add to your website? You have all these things. So you have online store, chat, forums, Instagram feed, and you have all these things that you can add. These are all, features, blogs, and widgets that you can add to your website just to have a better look and a better optimized website. For now, I'm not going to add any extras because you can add them later. Pretty simple. And once you do that, here you can see continue setting up in your dashboard, and we're going to head straight to my dashboard. Okay. Now, once you head straight to your dashboard, it's just, easy from there because pretty simple stuff comes on further on. Now, obviously, if we load into the dashboard, let's talk about more in that stuff. And obviously you have a lot of things to discuss and uncover. You have the setup, your basic home app, and all that. So basically, first of all, what you're going to do to obviously start creating a proper sales funnel is you're going to go ahead and have proper sales priorities. And we're just going to go ahead, click on design site. And once you click on design site, obviously to create a sales funnel, I wouldn't recommend going with the AI, even though the AI is pretty good, but I'm going to go with my very own website. And once you do that, once you're over here, let's go with a blank website. Okay, let's go with a totally blank template, start from scratch. Okay, click on edit, and here we are. So once everything loads up, I'm just going to wait for it to render everything for me. And once it does that, obviously I'm going to show you how you're going to go ahead and create a proper sales page for yourself. Okay. Now, to create a sales funnel, you're going to have to create 3 pages for yourself. Okay. So first of all, there's going to be your home page, which is going to be your landing page. In that landing page, we're going to link that page to another page called sales page, navigate it. And then we're going to create a product page, because the landing page is going to send them to the sales page, and the sales page will send people to the product page. So, pretty simple, pretty easy. Now we're just going to let them, add the basic apps that we asked it to add in the start of the video. So Once it's done adding those, let's discuss more things in depth. So here we are, it's setting up our apps, adding Wix forms and payments. So here you can see you can start adding elements for yourself. So for this, in this case, obviously we're going to go ahead and add pages and menus as I told you. And, this is your first page. Let's, as I said, call it the landing page. Okay. Once you've created this page, we're going to do done. Now here's your second page. Okay. I'm going to delete this page right now, purely just delete this out of it. And once the page is deleted, let's add another page by ourselves. And once you go on add page, obviously you're going to get the option of adding, the different types of pages. There's like tons and tons of different types. So you're probably wondering what type do you want to add it. Just go ahead and add a totally blank page. Okay. Just click on blank page and it's going to add a fully totally blank page. And once the page is added, obviously you remember what I told you, you're going to name it the sales page. So landing page, sales page, and product page basically. Okay. So this is the new page. We're going to call it the sales page. So rename, call it sales, enter. And then obviously again, add another page, blank page. And once you're done adding that, again, same thing, you're going to call it product page. Okay, so this is going to be for your products. Enter, and there you go. So that's your product page, and that's where you're going to be showcasing. And, if not showcasing, then obviously at least showing your products. So obviously, first of all comes your landing page. And in the landing page, you're going to add all, your basic essential landing page stuffs. Okay, and obviously, pretty easy to add that. So you're going to add, contact forms for your landing page, and you can find those contact forms in, elements. So in elements, you have contact forms as so. And let's say, there's just go ahead and pick a nice contact form. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on that. And once you click on that, obviously it's going to add that contact form according to your sections. And look at that. There's your very own contact form, and looks like that. So then obviously you can add stuff like, thank you for checking this out. Thank you for checking that out. Then obviously, once you're done with all of this, let's move on to our sales page. Okay. That's all our landing page needs, just a good contact form. And then there's your sale page where you can add stuff like, before you go, here's our full guide. And then you can, add a button. And a button is something that people can use to redirect themselves. So let's say I'm going to add this button and, change the text and icon of the button. So from this to, you can keep it to check it out. Okay, just keep it, set it to that. And there you have the button, and obviously above that button you can add stuff like, hey, check this out and stuff, and that's going to be your sales page. And from there you can redirect them to, like, hyperlink it, obviously. So we're going to hyperlink this to our product page. Okay, and click on done, and there you go. And then obviously you're going to go to your products page and add all the necessary products that are going to be for your website, and that's about it. So yeah, basically, thank you for watching. Now if you were to go through again on how you're going to come to the Wix website, again, just go ahead and write www.websiteworldmedia.com/Wix, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's basically about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.